Welcome to Coyote Classics here in Green, Iowa today. Chad and I are going to take you on a walk around and test drive of this 1962 Chevy Biscayne Restomod. Another beautiful car. This was Rotisserie Restored with the undercarriage, floors, frame, all painted just as nice as this beautiful blue exterior paint.
This is the second video of the day, and both of them have just a badass engine exhaust sound, don't they?
Yeah. Great looks, high impact colors. And this one, I call it Restomod because it's fitted with some nice upgrades. Under the hood, you have a 409 Chevy engine. Dipstick on the left side here, also kind of a good tell of the 409, and then it's got an X marked on the front of the block. Upgraded with FiTech fuel injection system. They added vintage air conditioning. It's got power steering, power brakes, and a 700 R4 4-speed automatic transmission.
Big old aluminum radiator. So this got 700 R4 also?
Yes, it does.
Nice. And I'm sure you mentioned it, but the undercarriage is just absolutely gorgeous. Make sure you go to our website, CoyoteClassics.com. Check out the floor pictures. Not only is it just painted really nice body color there, the floors just look great.
Just clean. You know, no rough texture to them. Just nice rotisserie car. And this color is awesome. It's not like most blues you see. I mean, it just looks modern, sleek, really great looking paint.
Looks like it's got front disc brakes and rear drum.
Hood lines up great here. It's a gorgeous blue. Looks like a new bumper, new headlight trim. Only thing I see up front that looks like it's probably original is this grill piece here. Just got minor little scuffs, but something like that. But overall, great looking front face of this car.
How I'd classify this as a show quality car you can take, but it's also a driver. You know, it's just a really nice turnkey driver. Dalton, we have one tiny little ding upward, probably from the air cleaner or something, just very, very small right there. You got to be in the right light to see it.
Front disc brakes, American Racing torque thrust wheels.
One tiny little chip there. Man, it's nice, isn't it? That paint, Timmy buffed the paint out and it looks great. It looked nice when it came in, but it looks a lot nicer when it's going out.
Another very small chip here. Door handles look good.
As long as you're right there, let's go ahead. Corner of the door is perfect, no body filler, which I don't doubt it by judging the way those floors look.
He's got just a really sleek look. Very straight up and down the sides. Door fits good. Fender and quarter all line up really nicely.
And even though this is a sedan, Dalt, the back and the front windows, I mean, it's got a ton of glass in this thing.
Yeah, sweet look. I like the staggered, looks like you got staggered, stance as far as the wheels and tires. And lowered a little bit. Just sits great.
Somebody's going to absolutely love this one. Back bumper's all been replaced as well. As we go in here to the trunk, the trunk jam here, paint is as nice as the rest of the paint. Underneath the hood, the bottom paint on the hood wasn't quite as nice, but the rest of the trunk jam looks really nice. Floor is super solid in here. It's all speckled. Let's go ahead and look at that interior. I mean, anywhere you look on this, you can see your reflection. It's got a beautiful sheen.
White paint on the roof is nice as well.
Looks like there's a little, yeah, you got it. New door rubbers.
Interior matches the exterior very well.
It does.
Door panels look good.
It's a two-tone blue. It's got blue vinyl with a blue cloth inserts, which looks nice. It's got a tilt steering column, B&M.
It's even got the little white cord to match the
white top. Looks like it's got aftermarket gauges and a Hurst shifter in it.
Package sure looks good. And the paint on the dash is as nice as the paint on the exterior of the car.
Roll this window up quick.
They upgraded with a RetroSound Radio. Got your vents for your AC. Hurst shifter there. Steering wheel looks nice. They kept the original steering wheel, which I liked. They didn't put, a gaudy aftermarket wheel on it. It's got tilt wheel as well. Another nice upgrade. Tilt column. Trunk lid lines up good.
I mean, how many of these Biscaynes do you see? You know what I mean? You see a lot of the Impalas, but a lot of the Biscaynes didn't survive, you know? And this one was restored beautifully.
Just maybe a couple little like solvent pop right here on the emblem. Driver's side's real nice and straight as well. Do have a little scuff scratch right there. Pretty light. It might be something that right there, and a very small little rock chip here. Door fits good.
Go ahead. On this door. The door looks good. Jam looks good.
Door panel on this driver's side looks good. I just noticed it's got just a little bit of bow right here. Nothing.
And you can tell, I mean, you can tell this interior, you know, the interior is a little dated, I would say. So you can tell probably the restoration was probably done 10 to 20 years ago, would you say? Maybe?
Probably closer to about 10. Oh, yeah.
But the paint, that's not a scratch.
Oh, it's buffing compound?
That's all that is.
Okay.
That's probably what the other one is too.
Yeah.
Just a little buffing compound. I'll shut the door, you can get the front fender. Got a couple little blems right down here.
Another little blem right here. It's just sleek, very sleek. Fuel injection works good. It fires right up. Inside the jams, they painted well too.
Probably really window update. The windows roll up super nice, front and back.
They do.
I got the air blowing, turn it down a little bit, but I checked the air yesterday and just made sure it was blowing cold when I pulled it around, and it was. So, horn does not work. Okay. AC works.
Oh, there's a horn button right
here. Oh, is there? Okay. Oh, shoot. All right. Sorry. As far as oil pressure, this 409, it's very important too. With this 409, it's got 60 pounds of oil pressure, and the temp's already warmed up to like 155. Yeah. Gas gauge works as well. We filled it up, so that's accurate. It's right between 3/4 and full. Radio, I don't think is hooked up. I had Tim check into that, but it wasn't.
Knew it's in there. It's a placeholder.
There's your AC. Starting to feel good coming out of there. There's your fan. Wipers work. They are 2-speed. But here's what I was saying when we were outside the car. I know this isn't a Impala 2-door hardtop, bubble top, but look at still that huge ass windshield. I mean,
yeah,
it's like a sunroof up here, and then the back's got a shit ton too. Go ahead and put her down into first. And, one other thing, I don't know if you mentioned, but it's got a tilt column. It's kind of nice.
Turn the fan off, that way you guys don't have to hear it through the video. But I love the blue dash too. It's just really pretty. We have the front end all lined.
A couple new ball joints and stuff, I think, in there.
Yep.
The brakes are really responsive too, I think. Power brakes work good. I mean, I'm sure the guy didn't build this for, you know, huge speed, more for comfort with that air and 700 R4.
And these fuel injection systems are nice because they're self-learning too. So the more you drive it, better they get tuned to how you drive the car.
Cool.
Nice.
You like it, don't you?
I do. It's just a smooth,
like you said,
ride.
It is so straight down the road.
Yeah.
It is awesome. The guys did a fantastic job with it. The brakes are perfect. Look at that.
One thing that really impressed me with this too is it's a lowered car, but when you go down the road, even like that bumpy road, and 14 is really bumpy, you just feel like you're in a more modern car. Just handles really nice, smooth ride.
Nice. It's hard
Great
to get.
cruiser. It is.
We're just gonna go ahead and leave it in the overdrive. We'll take off from there, huh?
Shift.
Transmission shifts fine. 65, 70 mile an hour straight down the road. I think this speedometer is pretty close to being accurate.
Yeah. Kick down. Just really smooth. Quiet, no rattles or shakes.
Isn't that nice?
Yeah, it is. It's awesome.
Look at the steering wheel.
That's what I mean. When I drove it the other day, I came back, and when the car first came in, it was a great car. It just needed our help mechanically. And I drove it the other day, and I come back, I'm just so impressed with it. I drive this car across the country.
Literally, it drives itself right now.
It does. I'm super impressed. You can fly in and drive this car home.
We'll go through the gears, how we can hear the transmission. We'll do a high-speed brake.
And another thing to note on this car, I like the exhaust. You're going down the road and it's not loud. It's not, it's got a nice rumble where you got a muscle car, but you're going down the road.
Here, is it?
No, it's just nice and quiet.
Yeah.
It's enjoyable to drive.
You're trying to say if you and your wife went out, your wife wouldn't be complaining how loud it was, Dean?
No, she'd love it. Just the baby could sleep in the back seat.
Hell yeah. All right. Nothing wrong with that. Look at that. Into overdrive. Isn't that sweet?
Yeah, it's nice. Great driving car. And I love the sound of that fuel injection too.
It sounds like 4 barrels are kicking in, doesn't it?
It does. Sounds good. Sweet car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next test drive.